Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. In order to ascertain the correct state of affairs, this court, by its order dated January 16, 1987, requested the district judge, Kanpur Nagar, to inquire as to whether the state government has in fact implemented the social welfare measures in the district of Kanpur and whether such measures were adequate to meet the needs of the people. The learned district judge was asked to submit a report to this court. It was further directed by this court that the learned district judge, while preparing his report, would consider the feasibility of the implementation of some suggestions made by the petitioners regarding the steps to be taken for the purpose of ameliorating the condition of the people in the said district. The learned district judge has since submitted his report. The petitioners are not at all satisfied with the said report of the learned district judge. They have challenged the correctness of facts found by him, particularly with regard to the question of starvation deaths. It has been stated by the learned district judge that there was hardly any case of starvation death. On the other hand, there has been implementation by the government of the social welfare measures. We do not think it necessary to consider the report of the learned district judge. It is agreed by the parties, including the petitioner number 1, who has appeared before us in person, that some steps should be taken for the purpose of alleviating the miseries and sorrows of the poor inhabitants. It is not disputed that the people of the district are very poor and most of them have been living below the poverty line. Although the learned district judge's report is against the alleged starvation deaths, we are of the view that the happening of 1 or 2 cases of starvation deaths cannot altogether be ruled out. The petitioner number 1 laid much emphasis in his submissions on the duty of the government to take immediate steps to prevent starvation deaths, and he has submitted before us some suggestions in writing. So far as prevention of starvation deaths is concerned, his suggestions are inter alia that the government should constitute a committee of which the majority should be social workers for the purpose of supervising matters arising out of drought and other natural calamities. This committee may be called the Kanpur Relief Implementation Committee. The non-official members should not be members of any political party and should belong to well-known organizations of social work as contained in the state-approved list of voluntary agencies. He has also enumerated the duties of the committee. In the circumstances, we direct the government of UP that it shall, within a month from date, nominate the names of at least 5 persons belonging to the recognized voluntary organizations and registered voluntary agencies as members of the said Natural Calamities Committee of the district. We also accept the suggestion that the committee shall hold at least one meeting every 2 months. Done.